Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Today is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is hump day. Now this will help you guys out to get through your day. Link will be down below. Check these guys out. Bada boom. I didn't even know this thing existed. Central Park or Perk Friends television series. Coffee. Crazy. 25 years. Rich aroma, cocoa flavor. I'm gonna brew a cup upstairs. Let's see what these look like. Here we go. Dark roast. Central Perk. So really cool. If you guys are into that Friends TV series, definitely try this coffee. Link will be down below. And they got different flavors also. So I just got this one, a dark roast, and then like I said, going upstairs and give it a try. Alrighty, YouTubers, we're at the K-Cup machine. If you guys want to buy that coffee mugs and different ones, link will be down below. So we got the Hamilton brew. Fits in like so. Pop it in. You gotta hear it click. Here we go. There you go. Hear the pop. It fits. Oh, hold on one sec. There we go. And adjust it. And then we're gonna do through. And should take a few seconds to get it going. I'll pause you guys, and then when it's done, I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is coming down. Just definitely smell this. It smells really good. So check them out, Central Perk on Amazon. Good old Friends 25th anniversary dark roast. Like I said, if you guys need the coffee mugs, link will be down below for this kind and many others. Almost finished. Oops. There we go. Almost there. Couple more drips. And pour her out. Oops. Turn on the light a little bit so you can see. Look at that. Yeah, that smells really good. Oh yeah. Definitely check them out. Central Perk. Friends 25th anniversary coffee. Have a good one. See ya.